Friction was first observed and studied a long time ago, even though people didn't fully understand it back then. Ancient people noticed that heavy objects were hard to move, and they found ways to reduce friction to make moving easier. For example, ancient Egyptians used logs as rollers under heavy stones to move them, which is similar to what wheels do today. Around 500 years ago, a scientist named Leonardo da Vinci studied friction and made notes about it, even drawing detailed pictures to explain his ideas. Later, in the 1600s, another scientist, Galileo Galilei, noticed how objects slowed down because of friction, which led to more studies. In the 1700s, scientists started experimenting with different materials to understand friction better. Charles-Augustin de Coulomb, a French engineer, created equations to explain how friction works, which helped future inventors and engineers. Today, scientists and engineers use this knowledge to design better machines, vehicles, and technology to control or reduce friction when needed.